Hello everyone. Everyone can hear my voice? Comment and let me know fast. Everyone can hear my voice? Comment fast, quickly. Hello. Everyone can hear my voice? Message if you can. Okay, Man answered the first yes that he can hear my voice. I knew. Yes, Creed. Atif Ali, yes, sir, I can hear voice. Good. Good, nice. Chalo. So as you can see the thumbnail, that the thumbnail says that it's an exam booster. Now what do you mean by exam booster? Last minute preparation, I've used the tagline over there, you can see. It's so simple that when I use exam booster, last minute preparation, that means this video is definitely going to help you out for the preparation before the exams. So this live sessions, I am going to conduct the three topics, 3 or 4, let's see according to the time how much we can include in this videos, but definitely 3 of the topics I have decided right now to collect. And if we'll be left with this time, then surely we will conduct the one more topic in this videos. So everyone, first of all, get ready with the pen and paper. If you want to write, if you don't want to write, forget it, just focus over here whatever I'm explaining to you. See, revision is the most important thing before any of the exams. You have learned a lot of things, you have seen a lot of things, you have practiced a lot of things, but the last minute preparation, how you are going to do that plays an important role. Because most of the time what we do, we start practicing or all that things, but at the last moment you only have to focus on the highlighted points. Like if an identity is there you use, if any tricks are there, any methods are there, any special questions are there, you will only go through that. You don't have to practice whole thing or everything in that. So definitely we are going to cover everything in this video. So I hope everyone is ready. So let's start this video. In this live sessions, I am going to teach you the three main topics which are very essential. First, I would like to start with like. That means how many are present? Just hit the like button. Just hit the like button so that we could definitely start our work without wasting our time. Just hit the like button and a very good morning everyone. Just messages fast good morning so that I can understand that you all are ready. Fast. Chalo, hit the like button everyone. Definitely good. Chalo, let's start. The first topic which I'm going to include over here, that is exponents and powers. Now, this topic looks very easy, but it has some loopholes where you can make a mistake. Where, let's start. First, what do you mean by powers and exponent? Powers means anything raised to it is written. That means there is one number, anything raised to I write, that is known as a powers. Exponents means how many times I multiplied. That is known as a powers and exponent. This plays a very important role. See, if I say that find the square of 5, then 5 square is 25. So 5 is the base. I can write it over here 5 square. That means 5 is my base and raised to 2 is my power. So this is called exponents and power, 5 raised to 2. That means that if I multiply 5 2 times, which is equals to 25, this product which I am getting. How I got? Because this power represent that how many times I have to multiply the number to get it answer. Same way, this all the things you know. So in this topic, in this chapter, the first thing which I am going to explain, that is the multiplicative inverse. What is multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse is nothing but inverse. Matlab do the opposite of it. Like for example, I take here 2 raised to minus 4. Now 2 raised to minus 4 is what? This, as I explained you earlier only, that if I want to remove the negative sign from the exponent, I will do the reciprocal of it. That means here if I want to remove the negative sign from here, then I will do the reciprocal, that is 1 upon 2 raised to 4. I did the reciprocal. So I can write 2 raised to minus 4 in the form of fraction as 1 upon 2 raised to 4. Now I have to do inverse of it. Inverse means what? I will reverse it, I will flip it, so it will become 2 raised to 4. I have to inverse. So when I am inversing that, the sign won't be changed, because the question itself said that I have to inverse. Do the opposite. How we used to do, like if I say 2 upon 5 and I want you to do the multiplicative inverse, then it becomes 5 upon 2, or there we don't change the sign, yes or no? So same way, this 2 raised to minus 4 I can represent in the form of 1 upon 2 raised to 4, and I have to inverse it, 2 raised to 4. So here from one thing we got a very and you are told to do the then it will become 10 raised to minus 5. This type of question can be asked in the objective questions, objective form of type, where it carries 1 mark questions only. So it will be very easy for you to understand. Clear? Now move further. The next topic which is over here, that is the expanded form. Now expanded form, you all know what is expanded form. Expanded form using exponents. Now see, expanded form means what? If I tell you 1 2 3, that means you can expand it in a form of 100 120 plus 3, because I write it over here 123. Then you are writing, because this is on ones place, this is on tens place, this is on 100 place. So 100 plus 20 plus 3 is the expanded form of 123. But I am telling that do the expanded form using the exponents. So how we can do it? Let's take this only as an example, so it will be very clear. That is 123. Now 1 will be written over here only, as I have to write it in the expanded form. So with this one I will multiply and do 10. 1 into 10. After 1, how many digits are there? 2. So do it over here. 1 into 10 raised to 2. This is the short form which I am teaching you. What was over here? 100. 100, how I have written? 1 into 10 raised to 2. This 10 raised to 2 represent that. 10 into 10, that is 100 only. So short form is that, if I want to represent in the expanded form, that 1 into 10 raised to 2 is the answer, plus next number is 2. I'll write it over here 2, as I would write it in the expanded form. So 2 into 10 raised to, after 2, how many digits are there? Only 1. So do the power 1, plus 3. Now 3 into 10 raised to, after 3 I don't have any numbers, so it will be 0 only. That means you can represent any number in the form of exponent. You just only have to see that the number which you are writing, that if I'm writing 1, then after 1 how many digits are there? That much would be your power. Same way, if I'm writing here 2, then after 2 how many digits are there? That many would be your powers. Clear? So now how can we use, or what type of questions can be asked in the expanded form? See, I've already taught you. If I write this way and I tell you to expand, then first of all we should know the places. This 3 is represented on ones place, 2 is represented on tens place, same way 1 is represented on hundreds place. Yes or no? Now what about this 4? After decimal, whatever would be your first number after decimal, whatever would be your first place, that is considered as tenth, that is represented as tenth. Same way, after 4, if it's 5, then what is there in the 5? Here it is a 5. After tens, what always comes? Ones, tens, and it comes hundreds. So here you can write hundredth. This th represents that you have to write it in a form of fraction. If I write, see how you can expand in a day-to-day life. 1 as it is, so 1, it's on 100 place, so 1 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 as it is, 3 into 1 is 3 only, plus this 4 is on the 10th place, and I told you that we'll write it in a form of fraction. That means 4 upon 10. 4 as it is, 10th place is there, so upon 10 I'll be writing 4 upon 10, plus this 5 is on the 100th place, third. So this represents that we have to write it in a form of fraction. That means 5 upon 100. This way we are writing in our day-to-day life. But if I want to represent this in the exponent form, then how can I do? That 1 as it is into 10, after 1, 2 digits. See, here when you are taking digits after 1, so you are not going to take the digits which are present after decimal. You are not going to take the digits which are present after decimal. We are only going to take the digits which are present before decimal, that is 1, and after 1 there are only 2 digits before decimal, so 10 raised to 2 plus 2 into 10 raised to 1 plus 3 into 10 raised to nothing, no digits are there, so 0, plus now the game starts, that 4 as it is into 10 raised to also as it is, but this is on the 10th place, 10th, this is on the 10th place. So th represent fraction, so that means our power will be -1, because 10 has 1 0, and that is also in the fraction. So when we convert fraction into whole number, the exponent sign change, plus 5. Now 5 is on the 100th place, so 10 raised to, in 100 we are having 2 zeros, so that is -2. I hope this is clear how to write the numbers in the expanded form using the exponents. How many got clear? Show your reaction so that I can come to know. Chalo, quickly show your reactions. How many understood this? Yes, you is the first to answer. Good. Man, yes, Atif Ali, good, very nice. Everyone, Teeth, New, everyone understood. Faridi, good. See, now let us take one more example on this exponent so that you won't be left with any of the doubts. And I would request you to comment it as soon as I write the number so that I come to know how many are clear with it. 1025.63. Then 1256.249. Chalo, quickly tell me the answer of the first number, that is 1025.63. How I will write it in the expanded form? Chalo, quickly. Jalli, I want to know who is the first to answer. Yes, I was typing. Everyone's are typing. Good. Tell me fast how I can write the numbers. Yes, right. Chalo. Yes, as few of them have commented that 1 is at the place of thousands, I can write 1 into 10 raised to, after 1 there are 3 digits, so 10 raised to 3, plus 0 into 10 raised to 2, plus 2 into 10 raised to 1, because after 2 only 1 digit is there, plus 5 into 10 raised to 0, because none of the digits are there, plus now when we start writing after decimal, we'll write 6 into 10 raised to, 6 is on the 10th place, 10th th form, 10, so -1, plus 3 into 10 raised to -2, because 3 is present on the 100th place. Definitely this is clear. Everyone, how to represent the number? Yes or no? Fast. Yes, chalo, good. Om Gondalia is over here. Good, everyone. Yes. Someone has written whole expressions how to write. Good. Purple soldiers. Good, good, very nice. Chalo. Now tell me the second answer. Second answer is also very simple. First we'll write 1 into, after 1 there are 3 digits, so 10 raised to 3 plus 2 into 10 raised to 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to 0 plus 2. Now this 2 is on the 10th place, so into 10 raised to minus 1 plus 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 and plus 9 into 10 raised to minus 3. Why? Because this is 10th, 100th and this is 1000. In 1000 we are having 3 zeros, and so power will be 3, but we are writing in a form of fraction, so it will be minus. Clear everyone? So now let's quickly move towards the laws of exponent. If you don't take a screenshot how to represent the number in the exponent form using powers and exponent, you can take it. Then let's quickly move towards the laws of exponent and few questions on it, so that definitely you can score good marks in this chapter. Fast, everyone take the, I hope everyone has taken the screenshot. Chalo, let's begin with the laws of exponent. Chalo, let's go with the laws of exponent. See, first condition that the laws of exponent are only used with multiplication and division. It has no concern with the plus or minus. So because in the exam many times to make you confused, they can ask the laws of exponent with the sign also plus or minus. But over there, don't apply the laws of exponent rules. See, for example, what is here? The first laws of exponent which we are going to see, that is a raised to m into b raised to m. What you can observe, that your base are not same. Base is a and b, but the powers are same. So we'll take power as a common and write the base as it is, that is a into b. That means, for example, if I say 3 square into 2 raised 2 squares. So you can see that the powers are same. We'll write power as a common only. 3 2s are 6. 3 into 2, which is equals to 6 square, which is equals to 36 is your answer. See, this way you have to do it. Second laws of exponent which comes over here, that is a raised to m divided by a raised to n. Now what I observed over here, that the base are same, so I'll write base one time. Now I will solve the powers. So when I solve the powers are in the division, and whenever the powers are in the form of division, we will subtract the powers. That is m minus n is your answer. Example, I can take it, that is 5 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 2. So 5 is a common because base is common. Now we will deal with the powers only, and there's as they are in division, so we'll subtract it. So our answer is 5 raised to 1, which is equals to 5. Third laws of exponent, if I talk about, that is a raised to m whole raised to n. That means powers of powers will be multiplied. That means a raised to m into n. Example, if I take over here, then I can take that 5 3 whole square, which is equals to 5. 3 to the 6 is your answer. Then the fourth laws of exponent which I am going to explain, that is, we are done with multiplication. Okay, division done. Now, okay. The next is a raised to m upon b raised to m. Here again you can see that the power base are not same, but the powers are same. So we'll write power as a common and base as it is, that is a upon b. For example, if I take over here, then 3 raised to 5 and 2 raised to 5. So 5 as a common, 3 upon 2. The answer is 1.5 whole square. The next one which is over here, that is a raised to m into a raised to n. Here you can see that the base are same. Yes or no? Base are same, a only. So write base as it is, and powers are different, but these powers are in multiplication, so we will add the powers. So example, if I write, which is 5 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2. So 5 is a common, and we'll add up the powers, that is 3 plus 2, which is equals to 5 raised to 2. The last one, an important one, always I'm telling you that if any number raised to power 0. If any number raised to power 0, your answer is always what? Comment it fast. Let me know. Have you remembered or not that if any number raised to power 0, your answer is always what? Quickly. Yes, yes, everyone is answering 1, 1, 1. Very good. So everyone is cleared. Very nice. 1. So a raised to power 0, your answer is always 1. But 0 raised to any power, your answer is always 0. Make it very sure. For example, if I say 5 raised to 0, that means what? That 5 is my number, but any number raised to 0, your answer is always 1. But over here, if 0 raised to 5, your answer is always 0. Make it very sure. Clear? Any number raised to power 0, your answer is always 1. That means it does not have any powers only. But if 0 raised to any power, then your answer is always 0. Make it very sure. Clear, everyone? So these are the laws of exponent. Now quickly, if you want to take a screenshot, then definitely take a screenshot because that will help you during the exams. Now we will solve the questions of exponents and powers. Chalo, quickly. We will take the few questions of laws of exponent, then we will move further. Let's start. I hope everyone has taken the screenshot. Now let's begin with the questions of laws of exponent. Chalo, let's start. The first question is you have to express 4 raised to minus 3 as a power with the base 2. The question says that I am having one question which is 4 raised to minus 3, and this I have to represent as a base 2. That means my base. Right now in the question, what's my base? 4. Now I don't want 4 as a base, I want 2 as a base. Then you just tell me, how can I write this 4 in the form of 2? Definitely we all know that 4 is the square of 2. Definitely we can say that the 4 is a square of 2. So can I write, instead of this, instead of 4, can I write 2 raised to 2? Instead of 4, I can write 2 raised to 2. So 4 equals to 2 raised to 2, and whole raised to minus 3 is that will write it as it is. And power of power always multiply. Very simple. So 2, 2 3s are 6, minus 6 is your answer. Did you enjoy it? Yes or no? If you enjoyed, then without waiting any minute, just hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, then subscribe it. Chalo fast. I think everyone is enjoying. Yes, everyone is enjoying. If you are new, then hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and let's quickly rush towards the next question. The next question says that 2 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 8 whole raised to 5 into 2 raised to minus 5. You have to simplify this. Simple. See here, you can see that in this bracket the base 2 and 2 are same. So we'll write base 1 time. Definitely what I told in the laws of exponent. We'll write base 1 time. We will go with the powers only, that is 5 and 8. But in between we are having division sign. That means we will subtract the powers. Whole raised to 5 into 2 raised to minus 5. 2, 5 minus 8, that means minus 3 whole raised to 5 into 2 raised to minus 5. Now here you can see power of power will multiply. That means 2 as it is, 3 5s are 15, minus 15 into 2 raised to minus 5. Once again, you can see over here that the base are same, but the powers are different. So we'll write the base 1 time, powers as it is, and in between you are having multiplication sign, so we will add the powers. So when you add the powers, what you get it over here? 2 as it is, minus 5, sorry, minus 15, plus minus, minus 5. You got, we will get the answer 2 minus minus plus. To solve the sum and sign of greater numbers, your answer is 2 raised to minus 20. 2 raised to minus 20. Clear or not? If you are clear with the concept and you enjoyed the question in an easier way, then hit the like button. Chalo, let's move further. Now, the next question that you have to find the value of m, find m so that minus 3 whole raised to m plus 1 into minus 3 whole raised to 5 equals to minus 3 whole raised to 7. Okay, see, I have to find the value of m, and m is present in the form of powers. M is present in the form of powers. Then how you can do it? Can you see that before the equals to sign, that means on the left hand side, everywhere the base are same. Same way on the right hand side also the base is same like the left hand side. Yes or no? Yes. So what we can say that we can take base as a common, that is minus 3 as a common. Now we will solve the powers, and in between we are multiplication sign, so we will add the powers. That means m plus 1, the power of this 3, multiplication means plus 5, which is equals to minus 3 raised to 7. So minus 3 as it is, m 1 plus 5, 6. So plus 6 equals to minus 3 whole raised to 7. Now, when you are supposed to find the unknown value which is present on the power and your base are same, then we will cancel the base. We will cancel out the base. That means your minus 3 will be cancelled out. We are left with only the power, that is m plus 6 equals to 7. So m equals to 7 minus 6. So m value is plus 1. Clear or not? Whenever you are having any unknown term which is present on the powers, then definitely how we are going to do it, that we are going to write the base as a common. We will add the powers. If they are in multiplication or division, then we will subtract it. Once we get 1 powers on both the side, that is left hand side and right hand side, we will cancel them and we will simply write the what? We will simply write the powers as it is and we will get the answer. Clear everyone? So let's move towards our next question. And if you are new and you are enjoying, then hit the like button so that we can move further. Clear everyone? Chalo, let's move further with the few more questions. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button and subscribe it. Chalo, next, find the value of 2 upon 3 whole raised to minus 2. Now find the value, I say. That means what? That over here you can see I need to find the values. But what I say, the number is 2 upon 3 whole raised to minus 2. And here you can definitely see that the power is having negative sign. And if I want to remove negative sign from the power, I will do the reciprocal of it. That means if I do the reciprocal, this 2 upon 3 will become 3 upon 2. Power will be 2 only, but the sign will be removed. Make it very sure that whenever you want to remove the negative sign from the power, we will do the reciprocal of the question and we will write the power as it is without negative sign. Now, I will give the powers individually, that is 3 whole square upon 2 whole square, which is equals to 9 upon 4 is your answer. Easy? Yes or no? Chalo, moving towards our next question, that is question where you have to simplify 1 upon 3 whole raised to minus 2 minus 1 upon 2 whole raised to minus 3 divided by 1 upon 4 whole raised to minus 2. So what you can see it over here, that the power is having negative sign. To remove the negative sign from the power, we will do the reciprocal of it. That is 3 upon 1 whole square minus 2 upon 1 whole cube bracket over divide sign. Here also it is having negative sign in the exponent. So we will do the reciprocal, that is 4 upon 1 whole raised to 2. So 3 upon 1 is 3 only. So 3 square minus 2 cube divided by 4 whole square. So here you can see that there, see, your laws of exponent will not work. The reason is very simple, because 3 raised to square, 3 raised to square minus 2 raised to cube, minus sign is there in present. So we will solve it as it is, that is 3 square is 9 minus 2 cube is 8 divided by, because this is in divide 4 raised to square, 4 raised to 2, sorry, 4 raised to 2 means 16. So your answer will be 1 upon 16. Clear or not? Yes or no? Comment it fast. Are you clear or not? Fast, fast, fast. First, we have converted the negative exponent to the positive exponent by doing the reciprocals. After doing that, what we did, we found the value. Monil, it's fine if you are late, no problem. Chalo, let's continue. Chalo, let's move towards our next question quickly. The next question, oh my god, this is the most important questions where you often get confused. That is 25 into 10 raised to minus 4 upon 5 raised to minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8. What do you think? Is this question tough? Yes or no? Comment it fast. If it's tough, then comment it yes. If it's easy, then comment it no. Fast. No? Okay, good. Great, for you everything is simple. No. Chalo, but let's recall it for the other students also who will be watching this video afterwards. So 25 is the square of 5. Can I write 5 whole square into 10 raised to minus 4 upon 5 whole raised to minus 3. This 10 I can expand 2 into 5 into t raised to minus 8. Now the first thing which we will do, that wherever we are having a negative exponent, we'll convert it into positive exponent by changing their form. That means if it is in numerator, we'll write it in denominator. If it's in denominator, we'll write it in the numerator. So your 5 is positive only, so we'll write it as it is. This 10 is negative. This t, sorry, not 10, but t is having minus 4. So to remove the negative sign from the exponent, we'll do the reciprocal of it. That means this t will go down, that is t raised to 4. Now coming towards denominator, 5 raised to minus 3, then we'll write it in the numerator, it becomes 5 raised to 3 into 2 into 5 power 1 over here only, and this t raised to 8 will go up. Now I have removed the negative sign from all the exponents. Let's solve it. Here you can see that the 5 is the base which is common. So I will write 5 as a common. Now we will talk with the powers, that is 2 and 3 having multiplication sign. So we will add the powers. Same way, this 5 is in denominator. So if the 5 is in the denominator, it shows that it is in the division. So we will minus the powers over here. Into t, that means t I will take it as common. Over here t is 8 and here t is 4, but they are in division, so we will subtract it. Upon 2 raised to 1 as it is. So let's solve the powers. 2 plus 3, 5, 5 minus 1, 4. So 5 raised to power 4 into t raised to power 4 upon 2 raised to 1 is 2 only. So your answer is what? 625, because 5 raised to power 4 is 625, t raised to 4 upon 2. This is your answer. I hope it is clear to you. Yes or no? If it's clear, then comment it and hit the like button. Yes, everyone, most of the students are clear, commenting fast. Yes, clear. Yes, okay, you good. Yes, Manav, Nirbhay, Atif Ali, good. Great, good, everyone. Chalo, let's quickly move towards the last topic of our chapter, that is powers and exponent, that is standard form and usual form. Don't get it confused about standard form and usual form. Let's see that and we will complete with our chapter powers and exponent. Chalo, let's do it fast. If you are enjoying, hit the like button. New, then subscribe it. Chalo, standard form. Now what is standard form and what is usual form? From the name only we can identify standard form means there should be some standard format to write the numbers. So your standard form you can write in such a way that you can understand it very properly. There should be only one digit. There should be only one digit before decimal, and that digit should also be a non-zero. In short, there should be a non-zero digit before a decimal. That way you have to represent all the numbers. And in the standard form, if we are shifting our decimals towards the left hand side, then you will be having positive powers. And if you are shifting your decimal numbers towards the right hand side, then your power will have negative sign. Remember what I'm saying it. If you want to write, then write somewhere that if you are shifting the decimals towards left hand side, then your power will be positive. And if you are shifting your decimals towards the right hand side, then your power will be negative. Let's see the question and understand it. The first question in the standard form is 0.8 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 837. This is my number I have to represent in the standard form, and I said there should be one digit before decimal. It is one digit before decimal, but it should be non-zero. तो नॉन जीरो के लिए तो मुझे यहाँ पे 8 तक जाना पड़ेगा. So I'll shift the decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I do the 9 jump towards right hand side, then I'll reach towards such a place where I will get 8.37 into 10 raised to. Now I did the jump, 9 jumps I did. I did 9 jumps towards right hand side, so the power will become negative, that means minus 9. See, in the standard form, you will think opposite. If you are doing the jump towards right hand side, then your power will be minus. If you are doing jump towards the left hand side, your power will be plus. So simple. 3.87 into 10 raised to 9. Many of the students have already answered the correct in the comment. Next one for you. Chalo, do it fast and answer me. What would be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Comment it fast. Your nowhere decimal is there. So where the decimal would lie, on the which side I will be jumping, left or right, and according to that, what would be my power? Chalo, do it fast and tell me. Comment. Comment it fast. I'm waiting for your answer. Chalo. 3.186 into 10 raised to 10. Okay, let's see what the other answers. As you are moving negative sign, so it will be plus. Yes, most of the left to right we need to move. Yes, 3.186 into 10 raised to 10. Teeth. Yes, Bhakti. Chalo, everyone right. Definitely now I can understand that you are clear with the concept that we are moving from right to left, and when we move towards the left hand side, our power will be positive. That's why you said 3.186 into 10 raised to 10. Chalo, now let's move towards the usual form. What it is? Let's write the answer over here. 3.186 into 10 raised to 10. Now moving towards usual form. Now usual form is nothing. The usual form there says that you have to write it as usual it is. You have to write it as usual. That means you have to represent the number without raised to form. 10 raised to form you don't have to represent. You have to represent in the simple form only. So here you can see that 3.02. First write the number as it is. 302. This says that I have to, this 6 says that I have to do 6 jump. This negative sign says that I have to do the 6 jump towards the left hand side. Towards the left hand side. Where was my decimal over here? I will do the 6 jump, but to the left hand side because here minus sign is there. So 1 jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means one number is included, but the 5 places are empty. So I'll put their zeros over there at the 5 place, and decimal will come over here. So your answer is 0.00000302. See, in the standard form, we used to think opposite. If we are moving towards left, then our power was positive. If we are moving towards right, our power was negative. But in the usual form, it is not so. It is as usual as it is. That means we will, if it's a minus, then we will be shifting towards the left hand side of our decimal. So your answer becomes 0.00000302. Yes, definitely. Most of the students have answered right. If you have joined the live sessions right now only, then hit the like button, because your like button represents me that I am doing good. Chalo, hit the like button, and if you are new, then subscribe the channel. Now the next question, 4.5, 4.5. Now we are 4 represented. I have to do 4 jumps, but it is a positive, so I'll be jumping towards right hand side. 1 jump and 3 jump empty. That is 1, 2, and 3. So my decimal will shift from here to here, and your answer is 45000. I know that before I answer, many of the students have already answered in the comment box that your answer is 45000. If you are new, hit the like button fast. I know that few of the students are joining the live session, but don't hit the like button. Hit the like button because that will motivate me a lot. Chalo. So let's move further. Now, powers and exponent chapter is done. You are clear with almost all the concepts of powers and exponent. What is standard form? What is usual form? What are the laws of exponent? Now, the interesting thing, the next chapter, which is very simple, which I taught you how to solve it on hand, that is direct and inverse proportion. Direct and inverse proportion. See, I have told you that how you can recall all the questions on direct and inverse proportion on hands. How? If it's a direct proportion question, that means what will happen? That as, for example, if I say that the cost of 1 kg sugar is 40 rupees. If I purchase 4 kg of sugar, then what will happen with the cost? Will the cost of the sugar increases or decreases? Definitely you will say, sir, if I am purchasing more sugars, then definitely the cost of the sugar will increase only. It will not decrease. That means as the weight of the sugar increases, the cost also increases. That means both the hands are moving simultaneously upward direction. That is known as the direct proportion. But if I say that I want to construct a house, and to construct that house, 10 peoples are working and it will take 1 year to complete it. 10 peoples, 1 year. But if I increase the people from 10 to 20, number of people increases to construct that house. Now you only tell me that the time required to building will be less or more. As the number of worker increases, then the time required to construct the building will be less. And if the time required to build the building is less, that means number of people increases, but the time required decreases. That means both the hands are moving in the opposite direction, and such condition comes, then it is the example of the inverse proportion. Is it clear how to identify the question? Because the first step in this type of question is to identify whether the question is of inverse proportion or direct proportion. Once you identify, then you can definitely solve the questions. See, I told you that you can solve the questions in 2 ways. That first way is you can make 2 columns and we can use the inverse, you can say we can use the cross multiplication method to solve the question. We can use cross multiplication method to solve the questions. Another is according to the textbook. But let us recall the method what it is given in the textbook. I said direct proportion. Direct proportion means both the quantities are going to increase together. Let us take one of the quantity as x and another quantity as y. If x increases, then y will also increase. If x decreases, then y will also decrease. What we found that both the things are directly proportional to each other. That means x is directly proportional to y. Now, if they are directly proportional to each other, that means your general format in the direct proportion will be x1 upon y1 is equals to x2 upon y2, which we can say that x upon y equals to constant. And this we are using to solve the sums, that is x1 upon y1, that is x1 upon y1 is equals to x2 upon y2 is equals to x3 upon y3. How many terms would be there? That many x1 y1 would be there. Yes or no? So general structure A of direct proportion is x upon y equals to k, where x1 upon y1 equals to x2 upon y2. Clear or not? This is used while solving the questions. And another method which I told you, that is a cross multiplication method. Same way, if I come towards the inverse proportion, what does this inverse proportion means? Inverse proportion means what? Very simple, that if one of the quantity increases, then the another quantity will decrease. That means I am having two quantities that are two items, that is x and y. If x increases, then y will decrease. As I told, that if the number of worker increases, then the time taken to construct the building will be less. So x increases, y decreases. If x is decreasing, then the y will decrease. The most common question in the indirect proportion is of the pipe. If 6 pipes are there, it takes 50 minutes, for example. Instead of that, if I open only 5 pipes, now from 6 pipe I come to the 5 pipe, that means number of pipe decreases, and if the number of pipe decreases, then the time taken to fill the tank will be more. That means pipe decreases, time increases. So this is the very common questions you have seen in your exercise also while solving it. So what is the general structure over here? That x is inversely proportional to y. X is inversely proportional to the y. That means if x is increasing, then the y will decrease, because they are inversely proportional to each other. And the general structure here, x is inversely proportional, or I can say x is directly proportional to 1 upon y. So the general structure is x1 y1 is equals to x2 y2, because this y will shift over here. So x1 y1, so x1 y1 is equals to x2 y2. In general form, I can say that x into y equals to k, that is constant. Clear or not? Is the concept of direct and inverse proportion clear? If it's yes and you are new, then hit the like button. Let's move to and consider few of the questions based on direct and inverse proportion. See, already I have prepared few of the videos on my channel. You can check it out my playlist also, where you can see and you can make your concepts more clear, because over there I have taken the different types of questions and a unique questions apart from the book. So let's see few of the questions in that. Get ready to answer the questions. Let me just check, select the best question for you. Okay, the first question, chalo. We'll take only few questions out of it, because this chapter is very easy, and the video is also available on my channel. You can check out my playlist and you can see there. Are you all ready to answer the questions? Yes or no? Get ready with the pen and paper. As soon as I write the questions, I want you to answer it first. Chalo, the first question. If 50 meter of cloth cost rupees 3,725, how much cloth can be purchased for rupees 1,788 question mark? Fast, let me see who answers the first. The question says that 50-meter cloth cost is rupees 3,725. So how much cloth can I purchase in just 1,788? Definitely, yes, someone answered that this question is of direct proportion, because as the amount decreases, the cloth will also decrease. Good. I want the answer. Answer. Chalo, fast. Let's see who is the first to crack the question. Yes, Bhavya is saying direct. I know, but I want the answer. 24 meter. Nirbai said the first answer, that is 24 meter. Nirbai is the first. Let's see who is the another one to answer it. 24. Yes. TV gaming, someone. Yes. Ataria Paridhi, 24 meter. Yes, definitely. Parth Vekaria, wrong answer. 13 centimeter. Your answer is let's solve how to do. See, here basically we are talking about two things, that is the length of the cloth and the cost of the cloth. So we'll make two columns, that is length of cloth and cost of cloth. If I am having 50 meters of cloth, then the cost is 3,725 rupees. If I want to know that how many clothes can I get in just 1,788 rupees, question mark. Do the cross multiplication because it's direct proportion. So 50 into 1788 divided by 3725. Here you can see that this both the numbers we can cancel with the 5. So 5 sevens are 35, 2 left, 4s are 5s are your 10s are. Again we can cancel with the 5 only, that is 5 ones are 2 here, so 4s are, and your 9s are, your 5 2s are. Now I can definitely I can cancel this. How I can cancel? This is 1s are, and here it is 12s are. 141, yes, it's 12s are. So 12 2s are 24 meter is your answer. That over here in 1,788 rupees I can purchase 24 meters of cloth. Clear or not? And if I want to solve this according to the textbook method, then how can I solve that? I will take length of cloth as x and the cost of cloth as y. So x1 is what? 50 meter. Y1 is what? 323725. X2 is what? That I have to find. But Y2 I have taken the cost of the cloth, that is 1788. Now we know it's a question of direct proportion. Direct proportion is that it means X is directly proportional to Y. That means your general structure will be X1 upon Y1 is equals to X2 upon Y2. X1 is 50 upon 3725 is equals to x2 as it is, and y2 is 1788. Do the cross multiplication. That means 50 into 1788 divided by 3752. There, yes. So this way you can definitely you can solve and you can get the answer. Clear? Your answer will be same only whichever method you do, both are right. Clear? So let's move towards our next question. Get ready for the next question and let's see who can crack this time first. That time Nirbhay was the first. Next question. Next question, let's write. A train is moving at a uniform speed of 75 km per hour. A train is moving at a uniform speed of 75 km per hour. How far will it travel in 24 minutes? Let's check it out. Who answers the first? Chalo. Do it fast. You should know what to convert and how to convert. Identify the question whether it's of direct proportion or inverse proportion, and according to that we will move further. Chalo, quickly. Let's see who can answer first. 25 kilometers, no. Wrong answer. 30 kilometers, yes. Purple soldier answered 30, Yug Mehta. So purple soldier is the first to answer the correct one, that is 30 kilometers. Yes, Rushil, Dravya, Teeth, yes, DV Gaming, everyone. Yes, right. Man, now everyone answered right. That is 30. Let's see how it becomes. See, here basically we are talking about, whenever we are talking about speed, then we are talking about two criteria, that is distance and the time. So we'll make a column of distance and time. We will make a column of distance and time. Distance is 75 kilometers. Time taken to travel 75 kilometers is 1 hour, and 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. Why we have converted into minutes? Because here the data is given in minutes. Now in 24 minutes, how much distance is covered? So what we are going to do, we are going to do the cross multiplication, because as the time decreases, the distance traveled by the train will also decrease. So 75 into 24 upon 60. 12 2s are 12 5s are 5 1s are 5 1s are 3 over here 7s are nahin 2 over here 2 left, so 5s are 5 2s are 30 kilometer is the answer, that a train can cover 30 kilometers in 24 minutes. Very nice answer, everyone. Next question, one more for you, and then we will take the another type of questions. Let's solve it. A scale of a map, a scale of a map, write down, a scale of a map is 1 is to 3 into 10 raised to 7. 1 is to 3 into 10 raised to 7. The two cities are 5 centimeter apart on the map. The scale of map is 1 is to 3 into 10 raised to 7. Two cities are 5 centimeter apart on the map. Find the actual distance between them. Chalo, let's see who answers the first. Quickly do and tell me what would be the answer. The question is all for you. The distance on the map is 1 centimeter, and in the actual life the distance is 3 into 10 raised to 7. So if I want to know the distance between the actual map, 15 into 10 raised to 7. Yes, definitely right answer. Purple soldier has given the answer 4 centimeter. No, you don't have to find. You have to tell me the actual distance, Atif Ali. 1500 kilometers. 15 into 10 raised to 7. You wrong. Chalo, most of them have answered right. That is 15 into 10 raised to 7 kilometer is the right answer. How? You can, let's check it out. See, so simple. We will make two columns, that is the map distance and the actual distance. Map distance and the actual distance. On a map that is 1. No, no. Am I audible to everyone? Someone has messaged that no, not audible. Now sound is coming or not? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, voice, okay. Loading. But now it is clear, everyone? Now coming, okay. Okay, chalo, let's do. The next question. If 45 men can do a piece of work if 45 men can do a piece of work, if 45 men can do a piece of work in 49 days, if 45 men can do a piece of work in 49 days, in how many days will 35 men do it? Chalo. First, identify the question is of direct proportion or inverse proportion. After identifying, solve and give me the answers quickly. Let's see who be the first to answer. Let's see who be the first to answer. Quickly, quickly. 63. Yes, Krith is the first to answer. 63. Rushil 63. Purple Soldier 63. Yes. So this time Krith is the first to answer that the answer is 63 days is the right answer. So definitely here you are going to make a two columns, that is men and the days. And as I explained you previously that as the man increases, the time taken to complete the work will decrease. And if the man decreases, then the time taken to complete the work will increase. So here basically man and days we are talking about. How many men? 45 men, days 49 days. So if the number of days man decreases, then definitely if number of men decreases, then the time will increase. So your answer is what? Definitely inverse proportion. And if it's in inverse proportion, we will do the straight multiplication. So 45 into 49 upon 35. 5 sevens are 5 nines are 7 ones are 7 sevens are. So your answer is 63 days. Chala, one more for you. Get ready. One more question for you. 6 pipes. 6 pipes can fill a tank in 1 hour 24 minutes. 6 pipe can fill a tank in 1 hour 24 minutes. 6 pipes can fill a tank in 1 hour 24 minutes. How long will it take to fill the tank if 7 pipes of the same are used? Chala, fast. Definitely if the number of pipes will increase, then the time taken to fill the tank will be less. Let's see who answers first. 72 minutes. Yes, Krith is the first, second Purple Soldier, then Rushil third. Nearby also 72 minutes. Yes, Atifal is 72. Very good. Everyone is the perfect with the answers. So basically here we are talking about pipes and time. So 6 pipes will take 1 hour 24 minutes. 1 hour 24 minutes, I can convert it into minutes. 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 24 minutes we will add. So it will become 84, 60, 70, 84 minutes. Then 7 pipe will take how many time? Then definitely if the number of pipe increases, the time taken will decrease. So it's an inverse proportion. So we'll do the straight multiplication. 6 into 84 upon 7. 7 ones are 7, 12s are. 12 6 are 72 minutes is the right answer. Definitely everyone is doing very well. Now one question. Now one question for everyone. In a fort, किला fort यानी कि किसी के साथ लड़ना नहीं है. In a fort, in a fort, 300 men had provisions for 90 days. After 20 days. After 20 days, 50 men left the fort. 50 men left the fort. How long would the food last at the same rate? Chalo, fast. I want to know this answer. Who is the first? Because this question I had already taught in the extra question form in one of the videos of direct and inverse. I have explained 75, 540, 75, 75, 75, but 75 is the wrong answer, everyone. I had already explained in one of my video. Arsh, my answer is 75. No, your answer is not 75. You all are doing wrong. 108, definitely not. If you have seen my previous video and the playlist in that one of the, I think I have made you solve this. Preet 9, wrong. Definitely. Who now દિવસ ખાવાનું હાલે? No, no. 108, no. 9, no. No, no, no. अब आया ना मजा भिड़ू. No one could answer it. This is the question. 2 minutes. Okay, Rushil will search, I think, somewhere in the Google and say 2 minutes. Please, okay. Take your time. 90, no. 89, no. 90, no. 102, no. No, sir. Fast, fast, fast. This is my type of question. Good. I like it. You won't believe, I'm extremely happy that you are unable to answer. See, the teacher is happy that their students could not answer it, because definitely you are going to learn something new from this. Chalo, chalo, chalo. And just give, it is hard. Oh, it is not hard. 900 દિવસ ખાવાનો વાલે. એલા, what is this, Nirbhay? क्या चल रहा है अभी? 300 लोगों के लिए खाना 90 दिन तक चलेगा. And now you are telling that if that 50 men's decrease, then the food will last for 90 days. 900 days, sorry. Chalo, I think no one could answer it, so I only need to do it. So everyone focus over here. But after learning this question, if you really interested and you find something is new, then you will do the promise to me. One, the promise is very simple, that you will like if you are not like the video, and you will share with your friends. Yes or no? Will you share or not? This is the challenge. If you learn something new from here, then definitely you will share to your friends also this video. Let's do it. See, basically we are talking about two things, that is the man and the number of days the food will last. I am having 300 men's. Their food will last for 90 days. Definitely yes, because it's given in the question. Now after 20 days, 50 men's left. I have 50 men's left, so now the man with me is 250 only. Now after 20 days, that means from the 25th, 21 day, not 25th, from 21st day, there will be 250 men's. पर अभी तो 20 दिन तक तो 300 लोग ही थे कि नहीं. अब 20 दिन तक तो मतलब 20 दिन तक तो ये 300 लोगों ने खाना खाया. अब जब 20 दिन खत्म हुआ, when the 20th day got over, 300 men were only there and the food will last for 70 days, क्योंकि 20 दिनों का तो खाना उन लोगों ने खा लिया है. तो now at the end of 20 days, 300 men are there, but 20 days foods have been eaten up, so we are left with 70 days only. However, the food which we are going to look, that is out of 70 days, and the man is decreasing. Man is decreasing. from 300 to 250. And now when the man decreases from 300 to 250, now we will check that how many days the food will last. So definitely if the man will decrease, then the food will last for more days. So it's an inverse proportion. So we'll do straight multiplication. That is 250 into 70 upon 300, 110. Everywhere cancel. So that is 14 and 35. What it is? It's 35, 3 over here. Then 14 and 7, 175 upon 3. That means 7 is 7, 3, 7 are 21, 3, 6. Oh, sorry, 7, 300 I have to do. Sorry, my mistake. So 300 into 70 upon 250, 0, 0 cancel. This is 5, 5s are 5, 6 and zeros are over here. 5 ones are 5, 12s are 12, 7s are 84 days the food will last. Got it or not? This type of question can definitely come in your exams to make you more confused. Scam 84. Oh my god, Artiful has given a scam to this question. Good. Nice name, Scam 84. Got it? So till 20 days, the 300 men had taken the food. So now at the end of the 20 day, 300 men are there, but the food is last for 70 days. And from that, the 50 men left, it becomes 250. So how many days the food will last? So the answer is 84. Did you enjoy it or not? Comment it fast and tell me, did you enjoy it in this question or not? Yes, definitely. Okay, yes, Rochelle, yes, everyone said enjoyed, enjoyed. Now what I said, are you going to do it or not? That you are going to share this video to your friends so that they can also learn this type of unique question. Something new Rochelle is saying. Yes, definitely. Chalo. So let's start with our next chapter, which is factorization. So let's start it. Factorization. So this type of questions you will get in this type of sessions. Yes sir, my step were right, but that becomes a calculation mistake. Calculation mistake होए के गमे ते marks तो आपके जाएंगे ही कृत बाबू. चलो, let's move further with our next chapter, that is factorization, and let's solve the questions out of it. Are you all ready? Okay, I'm finding the best question for you, how to do the factorization. Yes, चलो मोए मोए हो गया. Yes, मोनिल आपका भी तो हो ही गया मोए मोए. चलो. This factorization chapter is damn easy. Damn easy. Because here you just only have to remember few things which I am teaching you, and your answers are there in front of you. Here also we are going to do same. I will write the questions, I will tell you to factorize it, and you will be only one to answer. After your answers I will be solving it. Clear? Yes or no? Chalo, let's start. But before that, let us go with some of the introduction portion of this factorization. In the factorization, we are going to learn first of all identity. First identity, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Second, a minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The third identity is a square minus b square is equals to a minus b and a plus b. First identity, a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And the third one is a square minus b square equals to a minus b and a plus b. Clear or not? If this is known to you, then let's solve it, or let's move with the next topic. But if some question comes where the identities are not used, then what to do next? This question arises. So if we are doing a factorization of any question and the identities are not applicable, then we will go with factorizing the middle term. factorizing the middle term. Factorizing the middle term will come into the picture. So these are the two things where this type of questions can come over here. But this won't be clear until we take questions. So let's start with the questions. But before question, tips to solve the factorization questions. How to solve, how to identify whether this question is a factorization or not. The tips I am going to do. So just write down all the tips in your book because that tips is very much tipsy topsy. Chalo, let's do it. If you get, if you get two terms in questions. If we get two terms in the question, then we are going to find the square root of both the terms. Both the terms. If we are having two terms in the question, we will find the square root of both the terms. Clear or not? Yes or no? Answer it fast. If you are having two terms, we will find the square root of both the terms. Yes, chalo. If you are having, if you get three terms, we will find square root of first term and last term. We will find the square root of first term and last term. Clear? Yes or no? Then let's move further with the third tip. That is, if you get four terms, everyone, let's further with the questions, right? Are you ready, everyone, for the questions? Yes or no? Tell me fast. Are you ready for the questions? Yes. Yes. Kriti is ready. Nirbhay is ready. Atif Ali. Yes. Good. Everyone is ready. So let's move towards our first question. The first question, 49x square minus 16y square. Second question, 3x cube minus 48x. Third question, let's give it to you. Okay, 8, 7, 7, 1, 2, 7. Okay, this is the one for you. It was okay. Chalo, do it fast and tell me fast. What would be the answer of the first question? 49x square minus 16y square. What would be the answer of it? I'm waiting for your answer. First question. What would be the answer? Chalo, chalo, chalo. Let's see who is the first to answer. Preet answered 7x minus 4y, 7x plus 4y. Okay, let's see whether it's right or not. Let's wait for the others. Preet is the first to answer, but I don't know whether it's right or wrong. And I'll not say if I know then also. Preet is the first. 7x minus 4y, 7x plus 4y. Preet is the first. Let's see who is the second. Very slow. Yes, purple soldier with the same answer. Atif Ali with the same answer. I think that the answer of the Creed is right. First is Creed, second is purple soldier, third is Atif Ali. Let us solve and check it out. See what I say, that if you're having a two terms, we'll find the square root of both the terms. So 49 is the square of 7, x is the square of x square, so 7x whole square minus 4y square, because 16 is the square of 4 and y is the square of 5 square. So if I consider this as a and this as a b, then this becomes a square minus b square. And the identity of a square minus b square is equals to a minus b and a plus b. What's my a? 7x. So 7x minus 4y and 7x plus 4y is my right answer. So everyone, the first three members, your answer is right. Good. Very nice. Move with the second one. Chalo, fast. Move with the second one. Second answer is 3x. Okay. Then 1x minus 16x. Preet, you can do it more. Your answer is somewhat wrong. Work on that. Fast. Fast, fast, fast. The second. Who is the first this time? I believe that in the on this type of way also, yes. Yes, nearby. You did, that is right, but can you still factorize it? You wrote 3x bracket x square minus 16, but can you still factorize it? Sir, how can be it more? 6x does not have any square, but you just check it out. Just check it out, Krit. You missed something. You are taking x as a common. Then think. 3x bracket x minus 4x plus 4. The Atif Ali answer is right. That is, Atif Ali answer is right. Nearby, your answer is right, but you can use the property a square minus b square also. So nearby answer, Atif Ali answer is right, and Atif Ali is the first to answer. Let's solve it. See, I will take 3 as a, because 3 does not have any square root and 48 does not have any square. 3 is not a square of any number and 48 is not a square of any numbers. But from this both the terms, I can take 3 as a common, as well as here x cube and x. So I can take x as a common. So what is left inside? 3 is taken out. Here I was having 3x, so I'm left with 2x minus 3 ones are 3 and 6 are, and x I already took out. So we are left with 3x bracket x square minus 16. Now this 3x is there. X square, that is the square of x, minus 16 is the square of 4. I can write this. So 3x as it is remain outside. This is a square minus b square, and their identity is a minus b and a plus b. So a is my x minus b, x plus 4. So your answer is 3x bracket x minus 4 and x plus 4 is the right answer. Clear, everyone? Yes or no? Moving towards our next question, third one. Do it fast. 6a minus 16b. Question 3. 7 is a common. P square plus 3p square. No, no, no. Something wrong. Ananya is over here. Chalo. Do it fast, the third one. 7 is a common. Then 7 9s and 7 6. Yes, Preet, your answer is right. 7 3a minus 4b, 7 3a plus 4b. See, your 63 and 112 both are coming in 7 table. 7 9s are 63, a square minus 7 1s are 7, and 4 left, 7, 6 are b square. So 7 outside, 9 is the square of 3a whole square. Minus 16 is the square of 4b whole square. So what I can do, 7 as a common, this is a square minus b square, and identity is a minus b and a plus b. A minus b, a plus b. So your answer is 7 bracket 3a minus 4b, 3a plus 4b. Did you enjoy this type of question? Yes or no? Comment it first and let me know. Yes or no? Then let's move with the next questions. Yes, yes, everyone enjoyed. So let's move with the next question fast. Let's solve it. Chalo, two questions. That is x square plus 10x plus 25. First question and second question. X square minus 20x plus 100. Let's see who answers the first. Let's do. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Who is the first to answer? Answer. X plus 5 whole square. Purple soldier answered the right. X plus 5 whole square. X plus 5 whole square is the right answer. See, it is so simple. What I told that if we are having a 3 terms, we will find the square root of first term and the square root of last term. So square root of first term is x whole square. Square root of last term is 5 whole square. Now according to the identity, we will write it over here 2a and b. So 2 5s are 10, 10x I got it. This is which, whose identity is this? This is a square plus 2ab plus b square, and the identity is a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. So your answer is x plus 5 whole square. What about next? What about next? Quickly. What about next? X plus 5 square, that is the first one. Okay, next. Let's see who can do it. The next one. X minus 10 whole square. Krit is the first to answer. X minus 10 whole square is your answer. Definitely right. Let's solve. See, here again we are having 3 terms. So we'll find the square root of first term, that is x whole square minus plus 10 whole square, because 100 is the square of 10. 2a and b according to the identity. 2ab, matlab 2 tens are 20, 20x is your answer. So a square minus 2ab plus b square is the identity of a minus b whole square. A minus b. B is my 10 whole square. So your answer is x minus 10 whole square. Clear or not? Is it easy? Yes or no? And interesting? Quickly tell me, is it interesting or not? Yes. Now let's move further, and the next two questions are waiting for you in a line. Let's see it. Chalo, get ready. The first question, that is x square plus 8x plus 15. Second question, x square plus 15x plus 56. Let's do it fast. Let's do it fast. Remember at the starting of this chapter only I had given you the hints that if the identities are not used, then we will go with the next option, that is factorizing the middle term. Do it fast. Yes, x plus 3 and x plus 5 is the right answer. X plus 3 and x plus 5 is the right answer. Let's check it whether it's right or wrong. X plus, yes, purple soldier also said x plus 3, x plus 5. Let's do it. See, here the first term square root I can find, that is x whole square, but 15 is not a square of any number, so we cannot go with the identity. Then we will go with the next option, that is factorizing the middle term. For the factorizing the middle term, we will multiply, or we will find the product of, first term constant with the last term constant. That means first term constant with the last term constant. What's the constant of first term? That is 1. Nothing is there, so 1. And this one I have to do the product. Matlab I need to multiply with the last term constant, that is 15, which becomes 15. Now I'll factorize such a way that by adding the numbers or by subtracting the numbers, I'll get 8 as the answer. So this 15 comes in 3 table. 3 5s are 3 5s are 15, 3 plus 5, 8. I got it. So we will write the first term as it is, that is x square, plus this, both the numbers will be writing with the middle term with their variables, that is 3x plus 5x plus 15. And once we get 4 terms, what I told you, that will make a group of 2 terms. This 2 as a group and this 2 as a group. So x as a common, here we are left with x plus 3. Here 5 as a common, here we'll write x plus 3. So what we got? Inner brackets are same, so we'll make a group of outer terms, that is x plus 5, and inner term, that is x plus 3 is your answer. Clear? X plus 5, x plus 3 is your answer. Let's go with the second question. Fast. Second question. If you are enjoying and you are just entered the live session right now, hit the like button, and new, then subscribe it. X plus 7, x plus 8 is the right answer. X plus 7, x plus 8 is the right answer. Purple soldier answered first. Good. Same way, here we will multiply the first term constant, that is 1, with the last term constant 56. This 56. This table is coming 7 8 49 and 7 8 yes. So by adding this, I'm getting 15. So x square plus 7x plus 8x plus 56 will make a group of two terms. X as a common, x plus 7. 8 as a common, x plus 7. Inner bracket same, outer terms different. So x plus 8 and x plus 7 is the right answer. Or you can interchange also. You can write x plus 7 first, x plus 8 afterwards. Or x plus 8 first and x plus 7 afterwards. It does not make any difference. Clear to you? Then I want to give you last 2 questions of our live sessions, and then we will end up. I hope you can solve them very perfectly. So are you ready? Yes or no? Let's do it. Chalo. The last 2 questions of our live sessions. Let's see who becomes the first to answer that both the questions. Then we will end up our live sessions. Let's do it. That is 2x square plus 9x plus 10. Second, 6x square plus 7x minus 3. Let's do it. Chalo, the last 2 questions of the live sessions is over here. And let's see who answers the first. X plus 8, x plus 7. Atif Ali answered. No, it's wrong. Chalo, if you just entered the live session, then hit the like button. Then new, then subscribe it. Chalo, 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 fast. Just remember that we will do the product of the first term constant with the last term constant. with the last term constant. According to that, 2x plus x, x plus 2. 2x plus x. Just check your answer, Kreet, whether you typed wrong or this is only your answer. 2x plus x, x plus 2. I'm waiting. Fast, fast, fast. 2x plus 5x plus 2. Kreet is the first to answer and the answer is right of Kreet. Let's solve. Let's solve it. See, what I told that we will do the product of the first term constant and the last term constant. First term constant is 2 and the last term constant is 10. If I do the product, I'll get 20 as the answer. This 20 I have to factorize such a way that on adding or subtracting, I get it 9. That is 4 5s are 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20 is that. That means if I add this, I will get 9 as answer. That means first term as it is. Second and third term, we will write it with the variables, that is 4x plus 5x plus 10. Now we are having 4 terms, so we'll make a group of 2 terms. Here, as a common, I can take 2 and 4. Both are coming in 2 table, x square and x as a common. So we are left with x plus 2. Here, 5 and 10, both are coming in 5 table. Bracket start x plus 2. You can see that my inner brackets are same, so I will make a group of outer terms and inner terms. So your answer is 2x plus 5, 2x plus 2. Clear? Yes or no? Let's move towards our next question, that is 6x square plus 7x minus 3. 2x plus 3, 3x minus 1. 2x plus 3, 3x minus 1. Right answer, Kreet. You hit both the questions very quickly. Good. Very nice. Chalo, chalo, chalo. Now I want to see who is the second one who can answer quickly. Fast. Krit is happy, smiling like anything else. 3x plus 3, 3x minus 1. Kushi is the next. Jaisha, that means Kushi is the second to answer this question. Good. Let's solve then. See what I say, that we will do the product of the first term constant 6 with the last term constant 3. It becomes 18. I will factorize such a way that I get it 7 as answer. This 18 is coming 2 9s are 18, and if I subtract these numbers, then I'll get 7. So we will put the middle term sign with the greater number. We'll put the middle term sign with the greater number, and as I have to minus, I'll put minus sign with the smaller number. First term as it is 6x square. Second term will be minus 2x plus 9x minus 3. So I'll make a group of 2 terms. So you can see 6 and 2 both are coming in 2 table, x as a common. We are left with 2 3s are 6, x over here minus 2x outside, so 1 inside, plus 9 and 3 both are coming in 3 table. What is left inside? X minus 1. Sorry, here 3 will come because 3 3s are 9. You can see that the inner terms are same. Inner terms are same. So we'll make a group of outer terms. We'll make a group of outer terms, that is 2x plus 3, and inner terms 3x minus 1. So your answer is 2x plus 3 and 3x minus 1. I hope everyone enjoyed the types of question which I have taken for the revision, or you can say exam booster chapters. These are called the exam boosters. And I have used the title of my thumbnail, that is exam booster last minute preparation. I hope that this name suggests the things which I taught today. Yes or no? I hope the title suits the video. Yes or no? So this way only you can have a watch of this video before the exam. 100 minutes we have completed in the live sessions. We have completed 100 minutes of togetherness in this live session. So first do the clap for yourself that you are here with me for the 100 minutes. Clap for yourself first of all. Yes, thank you, sir. Sangvi is saying, definitely I'm for you only over here. So clap for yourself that we are together for 100 minutes. You have learned the maths on the holidays for 100 minutes. Clap. So this video you can quickly revise before the exam so that the 3 chapters will be just over in 3 minutes. I hope you had enjoyed the live sessions. If you are enjoyed and you are not, hit the like button, hit the like button, share with your friends, because this is the exam time, and in the exam time everyone needs a booster for their marks in the maths. So we'll keep the live session till here. I hope everyone enjoyed. We'll keep it till here. Thank you everyone. See you soon in the next video. Bye everyone. Bye bye.